What is irregular grammar? Irregular grammar is a type of formal grammar used in computer science. It's a set of rules that describe a language, specifically a type of language called irregular language. What are regular language? Regular language are simple language that can be recognized by a special kind of machine called a infinite state automation. Imagine a machine with a limited number of states that can switch between these states based on the input it receives. If the machine ends up in a specific accepting state after processing the input is considered part of the regular language. Types of grammar: start symbol. This non-terminal symbol represent the beginning of a valid string in the language. It's the starting point for generating sentences or strings based on the grammar's rules. Production rules. These rules define how to rewrite non-terminal symbols into terminal symbols or other non-terminal symbols. They have the form. Types of regular grammar rules. Meaning, these rules specify that a non-terminal symbol A can be replaced by a terminal symbol B, followed by an optional non-terminal symbol B. This means that the non-terminal symbol A can only appear at the beginning of the right-hand side of the rule. If the input string is B, you will start at Q0, follow the B arrow to Q1, then follow another B arrow to Q2, and finally to Q3. Therefore, B is accepted. However, if the input string is AB, you will start at Q0, follow the A arrow to Q0, then follow the B arrow to Q1. Since you don't end in Q3, AB is rejected. Q8, Q6, Q0, Q1, Q7, Q8. Circuit to Q6, Q3, Q4, Q7, Q8. CD is Q8 is the start state of the accepting state.